that you guys are having a great, blessed day. If you don't know me, my name is Terry, and I would love to have you as a part of my crew. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you are aware every time I upload a new video. So today we are going to be doing a unboxing. So I told you guys I was really working on getting new equipment for you guys, getting a new camera so that we are able to have better quality. And so I found a camera that I would like to start out with. So we're going to be unboxing it. And as you can see from the title, we are unboxing the Canon EOS Rebel T6. So I got this little kit from Best Buy. I went and I kind of did a little bit of research. I asked around the technicians or sales representative or whatever they are. I asked them what would be a nice camera to start out with. And I also just kind of asked them, told them what I was going to be doing, a little bit of, videoing. I am not doing any vlogging as of yet. So to start out with just the video, they said that this would be a good camera to work out with. I also did a lot of reviews. I like to research. So I looked at a lot of reviews, and a lot of people said this was a great camera for starters, for beginners. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It does come with this, if you can see it. It comes with the 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and then it also comes with a 75 to 300 millimeter lens as well. So, and a little carrying case. So I'm going to be unboxing this to show you guys what comes in here. And I also purchased a Neewer 18-inch ring light so we can get better lighting in here. So I'm excited about that too. Right now I'm using a small, it was like $10 ring light that I got from online. It's working, it's working for now. I don't use any natural light. And I'm using a Jordan mirror, and it has like different light settings on it. So I have one thing on one side and then the ring light on the other side. And so they're kind of evening out my light, but at the same time, I can still see shadows. I can see a few other things that was just kind of bothering me. Like when I have a background, sometimes it's a little glary and all kinds of things. So I wanted to get a better light, and I'm also working on getting some soft boxes. So, but for now, we just have the ring light. So I have not opened this at all. We are going to open it. I have been super nervous to open this, y'all. Y'all, I'm always so nervous when I have to purchase things of this nature. Because, honey. Okay. Hold on. It's getting there. Okay. I'm excited. So it looks like everything is kind of packaged a little separately. In one box we have the Canon EOS Rebel T6 with the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. Jesus. So you have this little book, which this looks like it's gonna be super fun to figure out what all this thing does. Look at that. Look at that. And I have zero experience with cameras. So, wish me luck. Okay. You can register your camera, of course. It comes with this other little thing, which I think is like a privacy policy or something like that. Okay, so. Y'all, I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. I tested this camera out in Best Buy. I always, whether I order stuff online or in the store, go get it in the store. I always go in the store and test it out anyway. So if I'm going to order something from Walmart.com, 9 times out of 10, I've already been into the store to check it out. Or at least if Walmart sells it online but don't have it in the store, I'll go somewhere else and test it out first. Unless it's just something that's only sold online. So, here we are. This is the camera. the Canon EOS. It's really not heavy. I thought it was going to be heavier than this. When I tested it inside the store, it was heavier. But you guys do know in Best Buy, they have those little strings that's attached to it. So, of course, it kind of probably made it feel a little heavier. I'm trying to see if it has it on here, how heavy it is. But I don't think it does. But it's 18 megapixels. The ISO is 6400 for video and 6400 for the camera. It has EOS Movie Full HD 1080p up to 3.0 frames per second. Scene Intelligent Auto and Canon Connect Station. It's also Wi-Fi NFC capable. Okay. I'm going to see, I'm not sure if the battery is in here, but let's see if it turns on. Okay, maybe the battery is in here. Let's keep digging. So it also comes with this strap, of course, to go on the camera, so that, which I'm going to need this if I do decide to do vlogging with it and I test it out and it's really good for vlogging. I'm definitely going to need this because I feel like I'm a klutz. It might not be, but I feel like it. Okay, so this is the battery charger. So that's pretty neat. I don't have to have a separate card. The battery just goes in here. As you guys know, with cameras, computers, anything, phones especially, you can buy 1,000 chargers a year. So this is really neat that it comes with this little charger that you just stick the battery in and bada bing. So if you guys didn't know, right now I'm recording on my iPad. So I have been using my iPad for all of my videos, which is actually not bad quality, but there's some limitations, especially with the space. I bought this, well, my husband actually got this iPad as a gift for me. He got the camera as a gift as well. I didn't know I was getting this, but I'm excited about it. He actually bought the iPad for me for Christmas or a birthday or something years ago. And so it was only 32 gigabytes of storage. And you already know, which is really frustrating. Okay, here's a little USB, I guess, to hook it up to the computer. It's already frustrating because they take up space to put the regular software and everything that you need in order for it to run, and then what you have left may be like 8 gigabytes when you're finished, 16 gigabytes, you know, half of the storage. So yeah, that can be frustrating. Okay, so here is the battery. That's why it didn't come on. And the other thing I have here is the lens. This is the 18 to 55 milliliter lens. So let's put the battery in here and see how it works, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and we have it on. Of course, you have to do the little setup with it, but I do see right here that it has a bunch of different settings you can do. When I was doing my research, I did see that this is, it shoots RAW. It films in RAW video as well. So that's really nice. It has a screen on here. It does not have the flip out where I can see. So I'm going to be hooking this up to my computer. I've already did research on that. I'm going to be hooking it up to my computer so that I'll be able to see myself when I'm filming. That way I can know that the camera is on and stuff. So there are ways around not having that little flip screen. It comes with a HDMI port, a little mini USB for charging, and then this looks like a 2.5 millimeter port for an aux card, but I found a way around that too. It does not have the 3.5 millimeter, which is what my mic is. So with that, I had to order off of Amazon a little adapter. So I bought an adapter that goes from this one here to the 3.5 millimeter. It converts it. So that's going to be neat for my mic, which I'm excited about that. So like I said, let's see, we have a few more things in here. Also in a little individual box. This is the 75 to 300 millimeter lens. Y'all, I'm sorry about the glare. This is why I wanted a new camera. Which that probably doesn't matter. The light is light, so we'll see how that works. Okay, so this also comes with something you can register. Now this kit is a little different. Typically you can buy the body only, or it automatically comes with the 18 to 55 milliliter lens. I keep saying millimeter lens. But this one actually came with the extra 75 to 300 millimeter lens. Now the camera itself, the total package was $3.99 if I would have just gotten the body and the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. But to get this entire kit with the camera and the 2 lenses and the carrying case, it was $4.49. So $50 more for an extra lens when typically you spend $200 on a lens by itself. So I thought that was a great deal and I took advantage of it. Oh wow. Y'all, I feel professional. Just holding this. I feel professional. I'm a professional photographer now. A professional videographer. Book me, okay? Oh, this was awesome. Here is this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm so scared. I'm so nervous. Like, I feel like a klutz. Like, I'm typically okay, but whew. Okay, and then last but not least, it is this carrying case, which I didn't know was this big. Jeez. Alrighty. So, the carrying case. Now, the only thing that this camera did not come with was a memory card, but I have a few of those lying around, so I was okay without having it. But you know, you can get a memory card. 128 gigabytes probably would run you around $50 for a decent one, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so there's a place to put the camera. Looks like a little lunch bag. And then a place to put the lens. And I'm assuming that if you want to use, like, there's extra space up here if you want to take both lenses. But I'm not sure. We are going to try it out. Okay, so I just put the camera and one lens in there. And you would actually have to sit this separate lens. That's the camera and the lens. So you would actually have to sit it on top, which you probably can put something over that to protect it, I'm sure. I would be afraid to, like, sit all of this in there, though. That's just me. Okay, so now we are going to do the ring light. If you have any more questions, I will put the link to the camera in the description box because it is available online at Best Buy. I did go in store. Bada bing, bada bam. So it's a really huge box. You can't really tell. It is a Neewer ring light. I will put the link in the description box below. So I actually got the ring light discounted. I had a code. It was regularly $135.99, but I had a code on Amazon which made it $64. So I think that was a steal. Most of them that I saw were either cheaper, but they didn't have features like dimmable, being able to dim the lights, or any of the filters that they have, like the orange shield or anything like that. So this was actually an awesome deal. The first thing that we pull out is the stand. So this is the stand, okay? And this is the part that the light actually sits up on once you screw it in, okay? Okay, and then this is what the light comes in inside of the package. So it comes in this little carrying case that you can put all of your pieces in. It can travel with you, which I think is awesome. Like, you just put it in here, pack it up, and go. So that's really neat. So, pulling it out, here we go. Here is the ring light. Now, I am going to be doing videos with this ring light, but I'm not going to turn it on now because I feel like it's probably just going to cause a big glare. But it comes with this little part. So it's not connected to it all the way. I see here is the dimmer here. So you can turn it up, turn it down, which is awesome. It comes with a little plug, the regular 2-prong plug. And so I am going to plug it in and we are going to see just how it works. Okay, so now we have it plugged up. Y'all, I don't know what it's gonna do, how it's gonna look, so I'm sorry in advance. Okay, oh cool. So this is actually the dimmest setting here. So I'm going to, you won't be able to see me, but as you can see, it gets really, really bright, super bright. So they also have, it also came with these little, I'm guessing these are the little filters. So you can snap these onto the light. So I'll just show you a little piece. You can snap these onto the light and, okay, yeah, cool. See, it makes the light a little orangier. So that's pretty cool. And then they also came with a set of white ones. And then it came with this Bluetooth remote shutter for your camera or your Android or your iOS. It came with this, which is a cell phone holder, cell phone mount. So it came with that little piece, with this, which is a European plug. So if you are in a different country, they did have a bunch of different plugs that they can send you, but I just so happened to get the European plug in with my regular standard United States plug. So this is, typically the camera goes here. It has a little stand where the camera will go, and you screw it into the bottom. So typically it goes here, and that way it really kind of alleviates some of the space. Like, it's a space saver because you have the stand sitting here, and then here's your camera. Right now, I'm having to have my lights on the table, and then I have a stand here, and then I have like different elements to everything that I have going on right now. But this is going to compact the light and the camera together, at least for now, until I get the softboxes okay. So I can't wait to see how that works. I am going to be doing another video, of course, and we're going to have this set up. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. Eventually, I'm going to do a behind the scenes, but right now I am filming literally in a small space. So yeah, we will see. So that is it for this video. I kind of just wanted to update you guys on the new equipment I have. I'm excited to get a chance to play with this stuff, to figure out some nice settings. I've already been researching, but I haven't had a chance to go in. Like I said, I didn't open anything yet. I wanted to do this on camera for you guys, but I will be back with, of course, an update after I do a few videos, as well as once I learn a few more settings, I can come back on and kind of teach you guys some stuff about it. So I'm excited. This was just a tech talk with Terry. We are going to wrap this video up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment letting me know what you guys would like to see next on another tech talk. So that's it. Love you guys. Bye.